Hi guys, I'm starting with a new computer today and it freezes up all the time. It's not really quite as good as my old computer because my old computer broke yesterday. So you might see sections like at the beginning where it was frozen. We're just going to ignore those till I can figure out how to solve this problem with my computer. Today we're going to be going on a mission, and that mission is in our house. So yesterday for math, we looked at time to the half hour. And we did some activities and you played some games. Now you're going to be using your house. So you're going to need a piece of paper, and I want you to have two columns, one that says analog and one that says digital. I'm going to leave this here for a second. So you can be looking at that. You can pause if you need to write that down. Okay, so your mission has to start, I'll leave it here while I talk. Your mission has to start at some time that's 30, like 6:30, 8:30, 12:30, 1:30. So whatever time it is now, you can't start the mission until it's a 30. So what you're going to do is, let's see, what time is it right now for me? Right now it's 9 o'clock. So my mission, I would plan to start at 9:30. I'd know I have a half an hour. So I get myself kind of ready for that. The first thing I'm going to do, and I'm going to do mine for what time it is right now, 9 o'clock. So I'm going to write down the digital time when I'm going to start, which is 9:30. Okay, so I'm going to do that first. Did you see how I did that? And then I'm going to draw a clock, an analog clock that says 9:30. And I am doing mine pretty quick. So 9:30 is halfway between the 9 and the 10. And I'm just drawing mine like this. You can draw yours bigger if you want to and put the numbers in it. I have the big hand pointing all the way to the bottom. I know that's where 30 is. And this, I know 9 is right about here, and 10, 11, and 12. So I have my little hand halfway between the 9 and the 10. You can put all your numbers on your clock if you want to do yours. I'm just doing this to show you as an example. Okay, so you get that all set up. That takes a little bit of time. And then all of a sudden, it's 9:30. So now it's time for the mission. And the mission is, I want you to go through your entire house. And I want you to tally mark. So I'm drawing a line here. I want you to tally mark how many clocks you have that have digital and how many you have that have analog. But you need to do this at a 30 time, okay? So I don't want you just to be like, I'm going to do it beforehand. I know my mom's phone has it. No. At that 30 time, that's when you're on your mission. You can be thinking beforehand, where do I need to travel? But I don't want you to do the traveling until afterwards, okay? So I can see, let's see, I'm going to pretend it's 9:30. Oh, my computer has the time. It's digital. I'm going to put a tally mark there. Oh, my phone has the time. Digital. Oh, what else in this room has the time? Oh, my watch has the time. Ooh, digital. I've got a lot of digital time so far. But I know there are some analog clocks in my house. So then I need to go up and walk around and find all the clocks. This is a big mission. I think you're going to be surprised how many clocks you have in your house, how many ways you have to tell the time. If you have a brother or sister who want to go on this mission with you, you certainly can take someone on the mission with you. All right, that's your assignment for today. Have fun exploring.